Hey guys, welcome to QuadS Trading, and today we're going to go over the trades of January the 10th. So do subscribe and like. We are giving away one free lifetime membership. That's the course and all of our premium channels to one subscriber once we hit our first 100. So usually Fridays are a little bit slower, so we only had 4 trades today. So essentially, this price, the stock here pumps, 65, a little bit more than 65%. 69% nails one of our resistance points, and it comes back down at the midpoint, and then during the open hours it tried to pump that again, but it totally got rejected right down to this purple line here. Now, this was a really nice one. This was a big winner of the day of 210 per share, which is huge. Next one is XHG. This one here, we did this trade yesterday. It pumped, grab it here, and then you could have taken profit here. If you shot for that purple line and it came back up, you could have gotten out at this blue line or gotten out back at your entry because you didn't want to lose money going up. But then again, it tanked again, back down, shot back up. This now becomes an SS1 trade, and then you cover at the midpoint at the purple line. So the following day, this stock still pumped again quite a bit, 140% to that same resistance point we targeted over here, and it came back down, cover or cover over here. You'll see these patterns here happen all the time. VMAR, that's the same one here. We saw resistance points in the back, so we identified that. This thing pumped quite a bit also. 128. So essentially what these companies do is when they run out of money, they pump their stock to sell outstanding shares, and then it tanks. So you enter here at 341, 351. You would cover at the midpoint for 94 cents a share, or you go over at this purple line for $1.34 a share. Now, once we hit these purple lines, either this one here or this one, you absolutely get out, because very often it pumps once it hits these ones here. So this one here pumped because it was a nano float. Boom, you could have taken the position here again and cover. But sometimes when you see a double pump like this, it could go really high. So we did not do that second pump. IINN, this one here we identified a pivot point, not so much a resistance. So the orange is the resistance, these ones here are pivot points, and same thing as this one here. Boom, nailed it, cover. So the stocks that are lower in stocks like under $2, there isn't a whole lot of profit. We're talking 35.59 cents per share. But you do a couple of these a day, and they add up real quick. And just an honorable mention that we did not, none of us traded on this one, is this one here, GLXG. So there was a resistance point right here that we identified, but it's not high enough. 60% is not high enough for me, and also the price is fairly low. So anyways, just so you know, it nailed it here. You cover at the midpoint, and then it pumped, now it becomes an SS1 trade. You would have entered right here at the 162. You would have covered here or covered right here. And if we were to do just dollar wise, it would be 22 to 44 cents. So that's it for these trades. Do like and subscribe, as we are giving away one free lifetime membership to a subscriber once we hit 100. So that's it for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.